Don't let that broke bitch in, cause she too messy. Who the fuck them broke boys with?
All right, so we had MIR today. Should be a lot of racing, a lot of fast people in MIR today. We're gonna go talk to my brother Cleetus real quick. Look at all these people. They're actually waiting for me. They just don't see me yet. What's going on, man?
Dude, how are you?
The channel. I'm good. How are you? You mind signing the shirt real quick? I appreciate it. I actually got a little card channel myself.
Yeah, what's
got
called?
It's WyattWebsterr. Get a little picture.
You know the deal.
Hey, tell them subscribe.
Yes, sir. Subscribe or you're done.
I'm actually Adam Elsie's nephew.
Oh, really?
I got a 335 too.
Oh, nice.
He hand me down to me.
Well,
Yeah. All right, man. It's good meeting you, bro. We got all Cleetus's cars, big ass turbos and shit. That's why we literally just pulled up and met Cleetus like off the rip. It's a sold out event. Look how many people are here.
You got a badge?
What's that?
Park card?
Oh no, we need one.
Yeah, you gotta have one to get there. Sorry, big guy.
How do we get that?
Are you media?
I can be.
Are
Can be
you?
media. Yeah. How do I get a green pass?
You'd have to go up in the tower and ask them if you can get one.
All right, so just go in there and ask.
Maybe.
What's the special words? Is there keywords to get this pass?
How do I get a media badge?
All right. I'm Cleetus McFarland's brother.
Are you really?
No, but that sounds good for them.
It might, but they know Cleetus.
All right.
So.
All right, we're gonna go try.
Good luck, bro.
I guess we're trying to get a media pass. How's it going? How do we go back in a media pass? The dude down there told me we had to come up here and get one. Yeah.
Did you email Chris Miller before this event?
No.
I cannot give you a media pass unless you pre-registered with Chris Miller.
Oh, okay. All right. Appreciate it. I should have dropped the Cleetus McFarland Brothers bar. How did we get one of those?
You can't get this one.
So many motherfuckers. Dude, my ears got deleted. That shit was loud. Hey, they worried about racing and shit. Hell nah. Look what we, man. Hey.
Oh, so I'm being filmed right now.
Oh, you're being filmed right now.
Okay.
And
What's up?
We're actually live streaming, and they said you got to kiss me on the cheek. They're live streaming.
boyfriend now. I'm very loyal.
Respect. L's in the chat. L Riz. Got that boy Cleetus going. Hell yeah, brother.
Hopped off the jet, still got jet lag.
The kids have touched down in Denver. First flight. How was it, buddy?
man, we had some turbulence on the landing.
It's also extremely cold in Denver right now. Hey, hold up. Excuse me, sorry. What's up? Hey, we got Tinder flowing out. Yes, sir. We got Mike. We got Bryan. Let's go, bro. Man, we've made it to the legendary shop. Yes, sir. This is dope as fuck. Need that Webby shop.
Everything we need right now.
So this is everything we need right now. Everyone come in here and steal all this shit.
Oh yeah.
It's like, dog, they have,
He's not looking.
yeah, they have like 1,000 fucking cameras. Do not come in this bitch. Yo, this is crazy. So this is like a whole other shop.
Yeah, this is not even this is all him. He does.
This is me, yeah, I do vinyl wrapping, ceramic coating,
Oh
all
shit.
that stuff, yeah.
That's dope as fuck. So this is the new 335 IS. Bryan picked up. Doesn't run. He was supposed to pick us up in it from the airport, but
Turn it on real quick again.
no sir. Classic N54 shit though. He's got the Speed Tech single turbo kit. You said you just put it on?
Yeah, like a month ago.
Yeah.
35, 84 turbo, full E85s, dual 450s. Should be like 750, 770 hopefully.
God damn. I need to go single turbo. Me and Bryan need to have a little talk about that.
Yes sir, we gotta keep up with these GTR boys out here,
Yes,
you know?
sir. That's a fact. Whose is that?
Bottom is
Yeah.
customers.
Customers? It's a 335?
Yeah, they had it molded.
Damn. Even did the bumper exhaust on it.
Jesus Christ.
This thing full on looks like an M3. Frank, where do we get 2 lifts and dyno money?
3 lifts.
Crazy money over here. Frank, bro, really? We come to Colorado once and you switching teams.
Good morning.
What are you doing? We're waiting on Bryan. It's 7 a.m. We woke up dumb early because Maryland time it's like 9. So we're just waiting on Bryan to pick us up and then we're going to the shop. Was that cool? No fucking way. Premium Uber. How much power is it making right now?
We dynoed it at 613 on 91 octane.
Holy fuck, that is crazy.
All right, man. Downpipe tune. Spot it.
That's it,
man.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God, bro. God damn. Bubba, you ready to clock into Colorado N50X?
Yeah, shake my hand if you're ready, bro. No, shake it.
You ready?
Let's fucking go.
Are you ready?
You ready, Boba?
You ready?
Are you ready?
You ready? Damn it.
Another day at the shop. I think this tops my daily a little bit. Shoo! A daily that's faster than my car. All right, so we're back at Bryan's new 335 IS. We gotta swap out the starter. Pull one off another N54 motor. Now we gotta throw it on this and hope it'll start. It's a Gucci roof.
Yeah,
it makes it look like a wallet.
Snakeskin, man. It's rattlesnake.
Exactly. You'll never see anything else like this. 101 335 IS. No matter where we go, Frank. N54s are always being worked on. Just push on this. Oh shit.
Hey, bro, I think you need help.
Hey, this is the wrong channel. Boba, get your ass up there. Come on. Look at Frank getting dirty in Rado. What? That boy doing something for once.
Oh, don't even. Bro, he be filming. He don't film the kid. I put in so much.
What are you talking about?
Hey, hold on.
Hey,
my hands look like this, so his can look like that.
Yeah, take me out. All right, so we pulled the intake manifold off to get the starter out. And look at this man's oil cap. Bro, it's a goddamn slushy.
Watch it all just be fucking held together.
Yeah. Hold on, that's a, oh shit, put it back. Brian, we're so sorry.
Oh, it's bad though.
Oh yeah.
It's bad, dude. Did you see the filter?
Yeah, it was like black, straight black.
It never happened.
No, it never happened. Look, he's not even here.
Oh
shit. Oh, put it back. Hurry up. Your housing looked good.
Yeah.
Like really good actually.
Why is there so much plugging oil?
We would never do such a thing to your car.
Oh, I get it, dude. You guys are trying to clean the valves with the oil. It actually helps out.
Yeah, exactly.
It's packed solid, it's collapsed, the cage is broken
collapsed,
off.
yeah.
This
You
is
guys
all
can
water on the top.
Go do launches and see how long the motor lasts.
Yeah, we should just try to blow it up. Wait, so you owned this car before?
Yeah.
They didn't change the oil.
Yeah,
That's fucking pissing me the fuck up because I literally gave them everything, the oil and the fucking filter.
you had to shop through this?
Yeah.
Look,
Yo,
That's what's pissing me off.
it's bad, bro.
this is the worst I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's bad. It's really, really bad. Wait, hold on. So when you were driving this car, what was going on with it? The steering wheel did what?
Yo, I don't even know what you're talking about. It's a Tesla, bro.
And just no brakes. And no brakes. That's all right. Brian doesn't need them anyways. He'll be all right.
You die like a man, bro. You don't need brakes.
You don't need brakes, bro. I needed brakes.
If you don't know what's halal, like Muslims say, you know, we're good boys. You know? Halal in the streets, haram in the sheets.
We got it off with.
Hey, what? You just bought the Corvette?
Yeah, it just has an exhaust emitter sensor.
It makes like 800. He's trying to fuck with you. He wants to give you a ride.
All right, come on, let's go. LS on LS though. And I've never been in a Corvette before. Damn. So you literally just bought this today?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Sounds good. Shit. Definitely pulls pretty good still. They said there's a tuggy spot around here. Is that true?
There might be.
There might be? Alright, let's go to one real quick without them.
Alright.
You want to?
Yeah, we'll go in a bit.
Alright, we'll go.
There's actually one. I'm not kidding.
There actually is, but yeah, Brian told me. We're going to the tuggy spot.
Oh my god.
He said he's paying for all of us, too.
Holy shit.
Yeah, all of us. Even
you know
him.
you're in.
You're getting the tuggy. Alright, so they got Brian's car all hooked back up with a new starter. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! God damn. Well, she runs on the slushy oil at least. Man, what were you doing in there?
I like to practice before I go into that, you know, sexy time.
Dog shit smoke. Holy fuck, look at the back. There was so much smoke.
I can't even look out the mirror. It's just fucking yellow.
Dude, look at the smoke in the back.
Oh my god, bro. I'm just glad like the brakes work. That's like a come up. Brian, what the fuck? You just bought it.
Dude. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna definitely jump this dude.
Yo!
What do you say?
I have no idea. That's a motor. That's good. That's good. Those are intakes.
Man, I don't even know what I'm looking at.
Hey, just touch that. Touch that. There you go. Now touch that.
Yeah, it's
That dude, he's on to something. What is it, Brian? What is it?
We're gonna find out right now, man.
Oh shit! Yo!
Okay.
You're lighting a bomb off right now. Yo!
You gonna make the U-turn?
You gotta do a burnout.
Yes, bro. Oh, on this thing?
Yeah.
Oh, front?
Come on. Yeah! We just got Elantris getting on YouTube for no reason.
Let's stop.
Overheating.
Oh shit, he's back.
Kia boys!
Yeah! Yeah!
Boy right there. Let's go.
It smells like oil and weed. Boba, what's up, man? What's happening? What you do to this thing? All right, for Boba.
For Boba. I don't
don't think anything's happening, man.
Yo, I'm so glad the brakes work.
That's floored.
Yeah.
Foot all off the brake.
It's just slow. It's probably just slow. I don't know. Let's just pretend it's doing a burnout. We all get really excited.
It's literally not letting you.
Holy shit! No, what the?
How to do a burnout.
This is sad. We're 5 deep in this bitch looking up how to do a burnout.
From what it looks like is he goes a little forward and then. Yep. You had it. And then. Yep. It's supposed to do a burnout right now.
Okay.
So, let's try something different. Drive the car. Feel this.
It doesn't.
Keep going.
It doesn't go. Bro, this bitch is like big slow. What the oh my god, bro, when you hit the brakes it like literally feels like the whole car's falling apart. Holy shit. He left already?
He already knew it.
Oh shit. The old owner deadass left when we left with the car. That's so fucking funny. Bryan, donuts.
Get this oil change first.
Okay, oil change then donuts.
Oil change then donuts. It's already on. We might as well just go do the donuts right now. There you go. That's it. Let's go.
Yeah! That just doesn't even feel right.
Diamonds ain't heavy, I don't got no balance. So fuck on that bitch, I'll get up in the pants.